Harvard University just did something they've never done in 384 years, and it signals something much bigger than most people realize. If you're paying attention, this might be the biggest opportunity of your life. In this video, I'm going to explain what they did, what this means, and most importantly, how you can take advantage of this opportunity. This will be the fastest growing sector of the economy over the next 3 years. And the best part is you can do it all from home. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mark Moss. I like to talk about making money, investing money, and having success. Now, in this video, we are talking about making money. All right, we want to make more money so we can invest more money, and then we have more success. If you like to hear about those topics, you want to learn how you can make more money, especially in a time like right now, how you can make money from home, make sure to click on the like button so it helps more people find these videos, and then click on the subscribe and the bell notification so you're notified when I put out more videos like this. Now, I started out to tell you that Harvard University did something that they've never done in 384 years. And it's what they did that really signals what's coming next, all right? So I like this quote right here that was said by the late Archie Epps. He was the Doctor of Divinity and longtime dean at the students of Harvard. And he said, quote, "Harvard University will close only for an act of God, such as the end of the world." Would only close as an act of God, and it would signal the end of the world. But guess what? Harvard closed. They did close. So does this mean it's the end of the world? Well, yes and no. The end of the world as we know it has changed. No, the world's not going to end. We're still going to live there, and there's lots of opportunity. So I want to explain that. So yes and no, but probably not in the way you're thinking. So let me give you a little bit of background. So Harvard was founded in 1636. Man, that was so long ago. 1636, it survived wars, it survived earthquakes, it survived fires, it survived floods, it survived panics, and it's even survived a plague. As a matter of fact, in the coronavirus that we have right now, we keep hearing it referred back to the 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, which was massive, right? It's been a permanent mark in history. That's why we keep referring back to it. Well, Harvard stayed open even during the 1918 Spanish flu epidemic. But Harvard just closed its campus. Everybody was sent home in about a week. They just quickly closed up, told everybody to go home. But it wasn't because summer was coming. It wasn't an early summer break. No, it's because of the pandemic. They had to go home, and they wanted everyone to continue doing classes online. So school is not out. They're still in school, but they're doing school online now. And this has just been a domino effect. Now we've seen Stanford, MIT, Columbia, Berkeley, and more all doing the same. I mean, this is a massive shift to the entire structure of the school. And the reason why I bring things up like this is we always want to understand these shifts so we can get in front of it. Like the great Wayne Gretzky says, I always skated to where the puck was going to be, all right, not where it was. So what is this shift? And where's the puck going to be? And that's what we're going to talk about. That is our opportunity. So this is a massive shift to the entire structure of the school. I mean, basically in just a couple of weeks, over 2,000 colleges and universities, they're all going to be offering classes online. All right, no more in person, no more face-to-face, none of that, all online. I mean, at least for a while. We don't know how long it's going to be, several months at least, maybe longer. And I think this could end up being much bigger than most people think it is. And basically, people are going to be at home. They're going to be home learning. It's not new. People have been learning online for a really long time. But that's not the point. The point is that this is a shift. Now, look, you're probably asking yourself, why is it such a big shift, right? I mean, learning at home, learning online, it's already possible. Yes, it is. As a matter of fact, you can learn anything online, right? You can get books from your library. You can use Google. You can learn anything on YouTube. As a matter of fact, my sister is an ER doctor, and she had to change a pacemaker in the hospital, and she used a YouTube video to help her figure that out. You can learn anything, right? So you can learn anything online. As a matter of fact, Sir Isaac Newton, he figured out the law of gravity, and just happens to be, he figured out the law of gravity while he was on leave from Oxford. And why was he on leave from Oxford? Because it was closed from the plague, right? So online learning is already there, but we haven't had this big shift to it yet. For the most part, yeah, you can learn how to change your oil or something like that on YouTube or run a Facebook campaign. But we haven't had this big shift to online because people still like to attend schools. There's lots of other benefits that you can get from schools, right? So they want to attend Harvard for more than just the education. They want to be there for the campus, right? The libraries, the study halls, the lecture halls. They want to be on the rowing team. They want to go to the football games. And most importantly, they want to build their network, right? They want to rub elbows with people. But guess what? Right now, you don't want to rub elbows with anybody. That's why everybody's gone. So basically Harvard and all these other universities are saying, hey, look, you can still go to Harvard, right? You're still going to get a Harvard degree, but you can do it at home, right? Go home. You can do it in your car, anywhere you have Wi-Fi. Just buy a Harvard sweatshirt, and it's basically the same thing. And they're pushing everybody online. But what they're doing is they're destroying the value proposition, all right? So when you go to Harvard and you attend it, you get all those extra things that give you value. But when you attend it online, there's no value proposition. There's no same prestige. You could be working at a McDonald's on Wi-Fi, and another guy's on community college, and you're on Harvard, and you're both basically doing the same thing. And so that value proposition, the prestige, is going to be lost very, very quickly. This CV pandemic is going to change our entire world at once. So it's kind of like hitting a brick wall at like 100 miles an hour. You're going from 100 to 0 right away. And so typically things change over a long period of time. And so, online learning is growing, and we're starting to see more, online colleges and stuff like that. But this is going to change rapidly. Right? The way that we're going to learn, the way that we're learning online was instantly changed overnight. And so the online learning education space, it's already been the fastest growing sector. And now it's only going to explode even more, even faster from here. So the opportunity for us is as the world shifts from campus learning to online learning, it creates massive opportunities, right? It's going to open up all these avenues. The puck is going to move, and we want to go move and be in front of that puck. And so it's going to create these massive opportunities of people wanting to learn new skills, right? And it's going to create opportunities for people that are able to teach them those skills. So if you want to make more money, and so right now, unfortunately, the whole world's like laid off, right? Everybody's at home. And what are you doing? You're at home. What are you doing? You need to make money. So if you want to make more money and you want to be able to do it from home and you want to do it online, then this is your greatest opportunity. Don't sit at home and just watch Netflix. This is your opportunity to make money. You can teach them. Learn from home opportunity. It's exploding right now. It's projected to grow 10 times in just the next 5 years. But I think based off of this catalyst, it's going to grow even faster. So it's be millions of new students all coming online, ready to learn. And what are you going to teach them? Well, you could teach them how to do photography. You could teach them how to do video editing. You could teach them how to do accounting. You could teach them how to do gardening. You could teach them how to do knitting, writing, fitness from home, anything, right? Anything that you have, you can instantly put it out to the world and start making money. You can make interesting fitness videos or knitting videos, and you can make money from advertising. You can sell knitting products. You can sell knitting things. You can sell other people's products. There's on and on and on. I can go on and on. I'm not going to go continue into this video, but you get the idea. If you want to know more about how you can use this to not just supplement your income, but to meet or exceed your income in a very short amount of time, leave me a comment down below and I can go deeper and explain how you can do this better. I mean, this is basically what I'm doing with you. You're watching my videos and I'm making money from it. So I can teach you how to do this. Leave me in the comments down below. But I just want to let you know this is a massive opportunity. We're skating to where the puck is going to be. This is going to change the course of how we learn. And it's all going online, and it's all happening like hitting a wall at 100 miles an hour. All right? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you think this is a big opportunity, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments. I'll answer every single one down there. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it, if you like this opportunity. And if you don't, if you think it's a waste of time, give me a thumbs down. But either way, let me know. I always want to hear from you. And that's it. To your success. I'm out.